Yawa oh, yawa oh, yawa yawa oh, yawa oh, yawa celebrate yawa, yawa celebrate yawa, yawa yawa oh, yawa oh, yawa celebrate yawa, yawa celebrate yawa, yawa kalebu fi asao. Hey, yawa oh, yawa oh, yawa. She call her femme joy. I don't want femme comfortable. But you money wale. When you look a look your boiler. Blame at the sunny ewa. Jelefe aito. Ubangi yo was about. Moku moku beni tamobu. Hey, Kamalu Baba mu abin sumulai. Kamalu Baba mu abin sumulai. Ida asamobo. Allah ilala, Allah ilala, Allah ilala, Allah ilala. Charlie, that be the vibe. Sometimes for make you laugh. Because you are saying the young fan could be pia. What do you know? She ain't seeing them, Emma. It's just day your lay inside. Make everything go on, give you now at the spine. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, and the other names. They didn't dose baby. And this be celebrity what? Jawa. The Yawa way can't dare no bro. You know be easy sister. And easy cry. If they take the Yawa go sea topper, you go make the sea all dry. Where the sun be funny, the sun be like a sun more bored than things. Ah bro, sister, easy. What be the Yawa? The Yawa be say police people go arrest 21 people for having sex party. Sex party pound. When say you corona brim you way there. That thing for no go on. When sex party and Gaza crown illegal. I won't mind. Because you engine too much or bambe run now be man run na NG need them things. You know be what something where government tap where they what they approve am say yenyewo we communities and yenyewo mind. In about where this coronavirus to know, you know say those gathering need to need here because you gather if for wear what if for wear nose mask then things. Nose mask where you go where you gather they need the person need day everything conversation and thing go. But these people need their tally they send them no coronavirus no day, but police no go arrest them. Why this thing happen? It happened for Kampala, for Kenya. That be where it happened where police people go arrest them all. Now that they have the private party, you know, for some state to be there, they bail them Wakiso. Then they do them for secret place where no bro go see. That be the thing where now they go on. But some bro where you dey inside now, where you go report, give the police station menace. Say Charlie party you koso, na party na koso ne dey. Hey. Woman in brepa day top. Hey, so sham. Like some boy in head be no where you take you go to pass stop. A silent. Then things where the police people talk say okay them here. Where the police people now send menace almost smart we informer like informers on confirm go investigation so go monitor say I am pa. They take them go the house there, they go survey now. Then go there since she and koso. And Matia about 12 midnight, where they see say the party need to go on. Trust ye. That's how cost gidi. Where the informant no call the police people, no friend police for no say, or bra, or no. Then go there now, where they go catch them all. You go see the pictures in your screen or something. Easy in Bapan, in Bema, Jinemu, no son, Shishay. Bro, you know be easy. She shall go on. Hell, what be women? You go see different types of women. Atlanta women they inside, women where them among the male, women where they get big breasts, bro where you know brushing teeth like 2 years, them all dead the party under. Yeah, the fucking I could shoot bra party, bro. You know be easy. People where their handkerchief na kata menu abrabo you so the gym you know. Them all they there. The police people reach there na gather na chase 21 people no. Where they go back and forth on call headquarters for Akira. Call say I Akira. And they say I investigate you. That be what they trend for Ghana here. Happy for Kenya, but they trend for Ghana here. When you know social media there, you come there, plenty people go talk. Where people start to comment for top or more kasa some woman become comment say hey rade then the baby see hey yamba way he say the woman he say you know he say he then got the talk direct I saw wabadaye because Osuma in Banon room the young baby then no pay we are seeing the woman they talk say, "Hey Charlie, what this girls now do what for this word inside?" Oba besia ni power. The woman they talk. Oba besia ni power you won't say. Bob Brabi say, Oba say Bema, gentle, Bema no ni nyansa na beba waro. The woman they talk plenty for them. When brother man can talk say, "Hey Charlie, I get and I did a party there so." You know the social media do be able to can up. He said, "I get there and I did the party there and I come in there. I go make them, I go wear my dress, I go shatter them things. You know, be easy thing where I go do for them. Where another sister can talk say, hey Charlie, irresponsible parents where them grow this kiddies. Because parents where them be irresponsible, where them grow this kiddies are. They know go what? They know go do these things. Sex party, sex party. The girl is say, "I join and I join here until on best of every view." That be the something where they happen for what social media. Make a talk with something. This life where we day inside, we get one away where we for do. You know, you bet imagine any them things. But sex party pan. So about could do any affair. Your wow, brother, also doing. By your bad time, coronavirus. What I say, coronavirus now being still plenty people they die. Plenty people they die. I see say town inside. Plenty people know they wear the mask. I'm off on the normal than things. By Yaren or what and things. That be what it happened for what social media talk. When it comes to the trends of Ghana, that be what it happened for them. So that be what I will talk. You go feel leave your comment. Comment be I will be able to that talk comment box in him. Make everything go on pay for you. And also you go follow us on our social media platform. Social media platform be also a too much what GH. Until make sure so be follow. Now I like it. Now I be beer come now also. That be what I want to talk you. Prayer always work. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Pow, pow, pow.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break PM Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody de bia. Madam I say love you.
Me dey the Isaac Odwampo. We betun afem the great tampo. Mbrin. Wonu me kam woni hwe too much GH. Too much GH. Mu ye too much. Na me so me ye I'm on fire.
Too much GH. We are boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.